Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Yes, I don't want to waste much time. As you can see on the screen, this is one of the posts from these people, FallBack Republic, and based on what happened yesterday, and see, the kind of the dust is still all over the place, which is okay, is understandable. But like I said, we all know the intention and the motive of those who claim that there are none. They're in position to tell you how PM Simon Ekpa is breathing and what he's doing and all the intention and all that. You can see the picture if you can relate. You understand what I'm talking about. The hen that smashes eggs, the voodoo man is also Pasmaga. You can see his pose here. And that is the way some of them are, feel swelled up like beans. Some of them are just acting funny, but no problem. We are here to go through some of the posts. Those of them that I don't show their face, you don't know their identity, like the one called Brian Williams, as we can see here, Williams. He said, "Our CRC chairman, Deputy Information Minister, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, that's a Prime Minister Briggy." I don't understand. Anyway, he said, "To the useless USB, where is your representative here? Rejected people Sabo group." Imagine people who claim they have been visiting PM for months without showing anything, without any iota of evidence. Today, they realize that, okay, let us ask questions. Where is your question? All this while we have been saying that there's nothing to show that you visit PM and all that. So the only thing I want us to go through about this thing is this. Not only him, many other people are showing their strength and trying to act as if they know everything and all that. So this is number one. And like I said, there are many of them. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you think about what the video is all about. So everybody have their own opinion, to be honest with you. And I'm not here to predict or dictate to you what you want. My own is to tell you what is happening and the way it happened. Like I said, yes, I'm not withdrawing my word. You know what I said, the message I have for USB cabinet members and government under Dr. COS. I want us to go through the message because I want to repeat it again. I let them also know that much is expected of them. All right. Um, and like I said, I'm not gonna call words, mention anything one by one, because I know they are very sensible people. They understand what I'm talking about. PM for some of us that that are like, okay, what PM ways, taking picture and all that. Even if you see them in the PM kitchen, right? Remember one thing: they are not different from what you already know. Not at all. It doesn't matter how many pictures, how many videos they showcase. That is not to say that PM is not going to work with anybody. I'm not here to tell you what PM will do because I am not PM. But remember, PM is a human being, right? The same way PM reason and can make out meaning out of what is going on, the same way everybody can do the same like reason. But PM is a leader and he is well loved and well, cherished. So what you have done is not something that you can take for granted. Do you understand? And the respect and everything must be there. It has to be there. Now we have another person who happened to be, Queen of DOS for DOS representative in Fallback Republic of Ndekwezomozo with this woman who have been, doing all manner of nonsensical things to show her own, craziness on social media. She said, Obato Bie, Biafra love you, Odogwokoma. The USB charger fools are hiding under their bed in shame. Typical DOS who never for once care about others' opinion. I don't know if they share parents because if even those that join Ogenkere in the Republic of Ndekosem also are just the same as what you normally see from the other camp. And some of them, let me because seeing this woman here, I have to say this. I pray that PM will be okay because and anything is possible. The level of a hug and the peck and everything here, with the mindset of these people that are surrounding him, is questionable. That's all I can say. But let's see. He said that they are hiding in shame, USB charger, and all that. Very, very funny. And you see them that they are reasonable, they can reason, they are educated. One of the questions they normally ask or trying to, in the name of talking down on other people, they will ask you, PM rejected the USB. Even I was told that Biafra United also said that on his broadcast yesterday. That once they made show PM, do you know this group called the USB United of Biafra? He said he don't know them. And I was like, and so what? You expect PM to tell you, yes, I am a prime minister of USB. That means you are crazy. That means it's not the courtroom is no longer courtroom because normally you cannot claim what you're not sure of. Biafran was declared after PM, arrest. He don't know about it. Do you understand? But pretending that PM is all of a sudden don't remember anything about USB anymore because somehow he developed hatred on his own CS is laughable, isn't it? Now, like I said, this woman, why I'm making this video is because I want people to screenshot this. We're gonna keep it for some time, just like her previous chat has been trending. When she was attacking and questioning PM that you two captain cannot be in a boat, in one boat, in one ship, something like that. Trying to talk down on PM for saying that he want to give state of nation broadcast. We still have the screenshot of the same woman, this crazy woman. I don't know what people reference in Canada, those women in Canada, if they only Amaka have proof that sensible women can come from Canada. Because all I have seen, the one called Nena and this woman and few other people, Canadians, called that say that they are Biafrans. Sometimes the way they reason, honestly, I don't know if that is where all the Akata, all the Akata that live in America have relocated to Canada or something else. Because none of them are the one I'm seeing that I've seen so far. I'm not saying that you can't see any good person, no. But the one I'm seeing that claim that will want Biafra, they are fighting for the support PM and supporting Biafra and all that. I am yet to see a sensible one, yeah, out of them, honestly. Now you said they are hiding in shame. What is shame about this, please? Like I said, do you know that many? I can point one or two people in this the so-called video and pictures that are not even with the brig, and I will leave it there. Like I said, the most important thing is that seeing PM, I don't think there's anybody, whether USB, fallback Republic of Indonesia, or Charter Republic, because these are combination of different belief, okay, that in support of PM, CPM. That as we are seeing here, this one is not with the Briggy. The why is such this Senago. This Senago is not with the Briggy. She's just there to make sure that she irritates USB people who foolishly believe that she's USB. Because honestly, all this while, immediately they gave her suspension. I already know that she's pure enemy within. I spoke with her, so I know what I'm saying. I know what she told me. So don't come here and say, oh, don't say that. Oh, that has been good. You don't know what you don't know. You don't know it. Please, let's just forget about it. Here you see few of them clapping and loving, hugging and all that. Some of them maybe genuinely they hug PM. Maybe some of them maybe like few of them. I can tell you, I don't want to point anybody, but I know there is someone very very okay with everything. Some of them are very okay hugging PM. I'm not saying all of them, but majority of them, especially those of them that one cameraman focus on me. Why I'm hugging PM? One is why he's such a painted head. She's done the hugging is for Saga. The visit is for Saga. The joy they drive, the smile that they're acting, they put on their face. It's not because they have PM beside them, no. It's not because Biafran will be happy seeing PM, no. It's about the saga of the week. The enjoyment that they're gonna drive is the saga of the week, nothing more, nothing else. Some of you may understand what I'm talking about. Some may pretend you don't know, but no problem. Let's continue. So we are going to make this morning, video or broadcast, because this is a video I'm making. I just want to record it sharply because different quotes, different posts from Fallback Republic and Charter Republic. This is another Charter Republic representative here pretend to be with a Fallback. He is not. Okay, these are survival of fittest battle they're doing. Chata is trying to survive by dismantling Fallback Republic. Fallback Republic want to maintain their their stand and drag Chata Republic to their hideout. These are the activities going on. Many of you don't know about it. Now this Chata man decided to copy or retweet the post from Okute TV, another guy, I think from Owerri. The way he speaks, it sounds like maybe Bisa or something like. But I know he's from Imo State. This guy is Lai Mohammed is just learning work. In fact, Lai Mohammed he should be he should be a saint when it comes to Okute TV. And these are people that at 1 p.m. by special grace of God, once he come out, let him put eyes on all those things and know who is who. First, some of these people, I'm not saying you should stop them from talking about Biafra. You can't stop them. The only thing you can do is just your cabinet and your movement should screen anybody that's trying to, speak for them or represent them in any shape or form, because these are individuals that believe in money making. And I'm not going to further that because one thing I've learned from this thing is that each time you exposed some of their excuse me each time you expose some of their criminalities or their agenda, you're actually helping them to retrieve or track their take a step back from take their their take back step from what they wanted to do. And I will explain. When the Biafran begin to call out the saga and the battle among them, what did they do? They say, okay, let us come. They're laughing at us. Let us unite again. And so they choose to keep the momentum down. They fight and battle. They wanted to go to among each other simply because of some Biafran decided to react on that by jumping on them and trying to mock them or talk about what is going on in their camp. They withdraw that battle. But if you see them going toe to toe to each other and you keep quiet, the battle will last. It's not as if I'm celebrating battle, but they say that the enemy of my enemy is my friend. Do you understand? Now this guy here, this year, said Madam Halimatu Abubakar will be like, so finally Nedo Febu will be better than me. But the truth of the matter is that Nedo Febu lasts for 3 months with her attempt to dismantle the Biafran movement to convert it to Idu. But do you know how what your utterances for months, what they have done, the damages, the lies, supporting negative things and turn it as if you are supporting good thing and ended up apologizing, not even apologizing, ended up trying to, retract your step and claim that you got it wrong and without any apology to those that are you deceived to believe on that your mistakes. Because when you are going back from that thing that you claim that is right thing to do, you don't remind those you have deceived that this is what your reason, this is what you're going to do. You quickly just jump out and do what you want to do and get away with it. Nothing more, nothing less. So I'm not gonna say because this is morning time. I don't want this to be too long. I just want to share this with us because there's nobody's hiding, nobody is against you visiting anybody or trying to be politically correct, trying to be nice or trying to sound politically correct. So that political correctness is not what we are here for. We are here to bring to you the reality, the truth about everything so that the choice will be yours. Nobody is hiding from anything. I said it yesterday. I congratulate those who have visited PM, those that traveled to Finland. It is not easy. At least for once, they have traveled to Finland for something good. Not the one that why went on few minutes ago in the name of protest. You understand? And for you to see how these people fall back Republic, because I know they use this visit now to cover the announcement they made that going to there's a massive protest in Finland, in Europe, for in solidarity with the people and all that. Our eyes on that. We still have the screenshot because I'm saying that because for some of them that are watching us, get it right because we will still remind you of your date. God bless you, and please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new, God bless you, and see you again. Bye bye for now.